Yes. Now, let's look at some preemptive moves whenever the guy starts to front you up, but he does it in a slightly more aggressive way and he gets the hands up like so. So here Joe wants to fight. I've tried to go ahead and calm things down, but he says, no, come on, let's go ahead and do this. Look, mate, I don't want any trouble. Bang, come in like so. Step back and I can do some damage here. So let's just do this from a couple of angles. From this one here, I'm going to say from here, look, mate, I don't want any problems. It's always good to say that. The guy then is thinking maybe you don't want to fight, and it's better to say that than threaten the guy, just in case there are any witnesses afterwards that say that you've been the aggressor. So say, I don't want any issue. I'm going to knock down his front left hand with my right very quickly, very aggressively. At the same time, I will step in like this. Let's move to this angle, please, Joe. Knock down, step. I'm covering my face with the upper arm like so, and I'll be hitting his face with the arm at this right angle. I shoot this through here, underhook. I get my hand on my head, pull him down. Now if you look here, zoom in please, I can get control like this, but it's not very good. If I get his neck, he can look up easily. The head is weak, the neck is strong. So I'm going to have my hand on his head. I will also have here as a marker, and something a little bit more, my thumb there in the mastoid gap. Bend the thumb like so, stick it in that wee hole underneath the ear. Try and move into me now, Joe. He's going nowhere, very uncomfortable. So the thumb in the gap is a good marker, and it's pretty uncomfortable in itself. But when I get to this position, I can throw a couple of knees at the guy like so, or I can step back here if I wish, give him a knee in the rib cage, or kick down like this. All right, I've got a few options there. Or I can just go like that, get rid of the guy, and then move on the way myself. So, next technique. Again, he fronts me up. This time he's giving it a little bit, the hands moving like this. I'm going to lean back like so, grab here, break an arm. So, I cover, I lean back, just in case he throws something at me. My front leg will go up like so, and give him a nice kick in the groin. Now, it depends on the distance. If he's close like this, I'll make impact with the shin. If it's a bit more of a range, I'll make impact there with the toes. I bring down, grab his hand, so his wrist like so, pull his hand towards my pocket. Now note here, zoom in please, grab with the thumb in this position. Then you open up. I twist and pull the hand. I'm now going to strike this fleshy bit just above the elbow with my wrist. And you see there, without any effort, what happens to his balance. I pull up, I push down, then I have the guy. If I want to continue the technique, I'll walk through like this, and I can drop in, and I can do all sorts of damage from here. Bruce, thank you. Last one, similar. Again, he fronts me up, I go for the kick like this, then I take out his knee this way. This one's a little bit more simple, a lot of people do prefer this. So I lean back, kick the groin. That will tend, even if he gets out of the way of it, to make him go like that, and this leg becomes straight. Drop the foot, and then the oblique kick to the knee. One more time please, sir. Lean back, kick, position this foot slightly to the outside, lift up, kick down on the knee. That should do him some damage, and then you can run away safely. This